So today is the second day of our Ho Chi Minh City tour, and we are now on the way to the third day. Yeah, okay, first day we didn't do much, I think. Yeah, it's really the third day. And yeah, now we are on the way to a sunset boat ride. So we are now here in front of the famous cathedral, the Notre Dame Cathedral, which is the same as in Paris or as in France. Same construction stuff as in France, so yeah, actually we cannot make any proper pictures because it makes no sense since you cannot. Okay, yeah, so that's the famous cathedral. We cannot go in because there's some festival or whatever. This is a statue. Yeah, that's the picture of Regina Pacias Ora Pro Nobis. And next to this church you have a famous post office, which looks really good. It's also made by the French?
Yeah, it's made by the French,
for sure. And that's the cathedral from the side. And a lot of tourists are here. But let's go inside. Which looks pretty nice actually. So yeah, you see this nice building with all the market stuff you can have, different times. Yeah. So I think how they made in the past the connection. There's a nice map. Yes, that's it. And now we're walking towards our boat trip. You have here in this area some nice small parks and hotels and nice buildings. I don't know what's all of this stuff. You have a lot of scooter traffic. I think that's kind of the Porsche area, because you have here like fat old buildings, Louis Vuitton. I don't know what's this. Looks nice. Yes, it's for sure the Porsche area. Brodart, Boss, Baccarat. I've never heard of these brands. But anyway, Bang & Olufsen I know. But this looks really nice with all this mix. No thank you. No thank you. This looks so cool. A modern 7-Eleven. What's this? Starbucks? No. It's fancy. Let's see if the girls manage to come.
Not stopping!
Oh, they're too scared. Move! It's green! It's green, it's green, it's green. It's green.
No, yeah, other gate.
Other gate. Other gate.
Not this gate, other gate.
Yeah. So let's see. In 4 minutes the boat will leave. See. So we made it to the boat pier. Oh yeah. We are lucky. That's our boat trip. Let's see. We see some nice stuff. So yeah, now we're gonna see what's going on here. So yeah, that's the view here of Ho Chi Minh. The modern part or the fancy part. They are building here really fancy compounds or like business places. That's really cool. So cool. I like these buildings. buildings, modern building, old building, a lot of trash, jungle. There's something like a dragon show. But yeah, nice. Boundaries and the old buildings in between. More compounds. And this is a huge compound. Holy moly. A nice park in front of it. That's the highest building of Ho Chi Minh. They have a really nice sunset view in between. You see the sun coming up. Wait, wait, wait. Yes. Slowly, but it's coming. Wow. And on the other side you have some pretty nice buildings actually. More compounds for more rich people, I think. There behind, more compounds. Some greenery. And now we go back to the basic place. Very cool area. Of super poor, basic, richer. Other side like very wealthy, I guess. Actually pretty nice. Then you have a baby blue church. A lot of greenery, wow. Really great sunset view actually from this boat, and it's so cheap. In one direction you pay like 60 cents in one direction. So we started over there, like where this fat tower is. Now we are like roaming around. Seems like. You have here also another nice ice area with all the restaurants next to the river. Very nice. The watercolor is so beautiful. No, it's not. Green. I think we are here more in the outer side of the Ho Chi Minh, and then you have here a barrack. There were still some people on it. Maybe it's not that wreck. They tried to repair it. Okay, and after 1 hour you have like a 10-minute break, like where you can chill here. Yeah, so it's pretty nice, 100% recommendable for this money, man. Because the boat is then going back. Pumped up, dude. And now we are on the way back with this wonderful Saigon water bus. Normally I always do this with girls, but this time Tung is the model. And now you're gonna get the same view just from night's perspective. Yeah, you will see nothing because the GoPro sucks at night, but you see the moon maybe. Ah, and that's the view from the rear side. Nice, so nothing special anymore apart from this beautiful building, which is the highest building in Ho Chi Minh. And if you have the possibility, book row 12, which is like the row outside here. It's better than inside, trust me. Here we got the influencer slash paparazzi show with these three guys and these people, I don't know. because there's a nice building. And now you see this nice compound at night. Looks really fancy. In general, the city looks super cool. I really like Ho Chi Minh. And after 2 hours, we reach again the place where we started from. They have here really nice skyline view. All these fancy places, nice hotels, fancy buildings in general. Yeah, pretty cool. Feedback. 100% recommendation, especially for the price of €1.20. No reason to think about it. More views of this cool city at night. Some graffiti, whatever this is.